Hi friends, I want to show you this new ceiling lamp that I just received. It is really nice. Let me show you. It comes with all the accessories and instructions you need to install it, of course, as a regular lamp. A very basic electric installation, as you can see. And it's really nice. Let me tell you that it also even comes with the light bulbs that you will need to install it. Okay. You can see how beautiful it is. It has this rattan finish. Very, very nice for any space in your home or in your office. We're going to install this in our living room. We're ready to install it.